counting 1 to 30 in English and Hindi for kids. 1. Egg. Children, in English, 1. In Hindi, egg. 1 egg. 2. Dog. Children, in English, 2. In Hindi, do. 2 dog. 3. Teen. Children, in English, 3. In Hindi, teen. 3 teen. 4. Char. Children, in English, 4. In Hindi, char. 4 char. 5. Panch. Children, in English, 5. In Hindi, panch. 5 panch. 6. Chhe. Children, in English, 6. In Hindi, chhe. 6 chhe. 7. Saat. Children, in English, 7. In Hindi, saat. 7 saat. 8. Aat. Children, in English, 8. In Hindi, aat. 8 aat. 9. No. Children, in English, 9. In Hindi, no. 9 no. 10. Das. Children, in English, 10. In Hindi, das. 10 das. 11. Gyara. Children, in English, 11. In Hindi, gyara. 11 gyara. 12. Bara. Children, in English, 12. In Hindi, bara. 12 bara. 13. Tera. Children, in English, 13. In Hindi, tera. 13 tera. 14. Chauda. Children, in English, 14. In Hindi, chauda. 14 chauda. 15. Pandra. Children, in English, 15. In Hindi, pandra. 15 pandra. 16. Sola. Children, in English, 16. In Hindi, sola. 16 sola. 17. Satra. Children, in English, 17. In Hindi, satra. 17 satra. 18. Athara. Children, in English, 18. In Hindi, athara. 18 athara. 19. Unnis. Children, in English, 19. In Hindi, unnis. 19 unnis. 20. Bees. Children, in English, 20. In Hindi, bees. 20 bees. 21. Ikkis. Children, in Hindi, ikkis. In English, 21. 21 ikkis. 22. Bais. Children, in English, 22. In Hindi, bais. 22 bais. 23. Teis. Children, in English, 23. In Hindi, teis. 23 teis. 24. Chobis. Children, in English, 24. In Hindi, 24 24 25 25 children in English 25 in Hindi 25 25 25 26 26 children in English 26 in Hindi 26 26 26 27 27 children in English 27 in Hindi 27 27 27 28 28 children in English 28 in Hindi 28 28 28 29 29 children in English 29 in Hindi 29 29 29 30 30 children in English 30 in Hindi 30 30 30